says, my Italian girlfriend.
GMC's work truck.
It's an Enzo Ferrari.
One of Ayrton Senna's cars.
Go, 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 go!
It's a headache to maintain, but it's so much fun.
Welcome to Kentucky Petrol Head, a channel for people that like anything that goes. If it runs on dinosaur juice, this is the home for you. If you like off-roading, we do that here. Let's say maybe you want to see a new truck review, we do that too. You can come with me to car shows and museums to see one-off exotic beauties like this Hispano-Suiza. You can join us on sports car trips to the Tail of the Dragon in a Mini Cooper, or you can help me rebuild my Lotus Europa. I also never turned down an opportunity to get an airplane. That is sexy. This Rolls Royce was just phenomenally beautiful. So I hope that you will come along for the ride in whatever vehicle I happen to be in, enjoying Kentucky Petrol Head as we geek out on anything that has internal combustion. So here is just a small taste of what you can find on Kentucky Petrol Head.
Tires come up to my rib cage.
That's nice. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss one exciting moment of petrol-powered passion from the great state of Kentucky and beyond. This is Kentucky Petrol Head. So we headed back along the trail to set up camp before sunset. Just wow. The all-new Frontier. There's just something so powerful about sharing adventures with people you love, getting outdoors, and spending time in the wild. And that is what I love about overlanding. This is Kentucky Petrol Head, over and out.